Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line. This Tiguan is powered by a 2.0 TDI 150PS engine with automatic transmission and 4-motion all-wheel drive. It's finished in a pearlescent deep black paintwork with R-Line body styling and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you'll find the stylish 20-inch Misano alloy wheels. To the front, the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility and has automated activation. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you'll find the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats and a privacy screen. From the boot you can access the optionally fitted swivelling towbar. The two folded seats in the boot can be adjusted to provide seating for 2 additional passengers. This is perfect for larger families or groups. Into your rear seating and you'll find the interior to be fitted with the Vienna leather upholstery, which featured a folding central armrest and cup holder combination and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you've got vent controls and USB port. Moving into the cabin and you'll find a pair of front comfort seats with power adjusting and memory function, alongside other features such as various storage compartments, cup holders and wireless phone charging. The heated multi-function steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and control for your digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include audio, telephone, vehicle status, drive data, assist systems and navigation. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is available, furthering device connectivity. You can check your vehicle status and settings available. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and can highlight points of interest. Assistant activates the car's IQ Drive safety features. And sound allows you to customise your speaker's equaliser settings and change the position of audio output. Beneath the display you find the car's 3-zone climate control system with heated front seat functionality. Driver profile selection is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. The Tiguan also comes fitted with front and rear parking sensors, helping you manoeuvre through audio and visual indications. The roof of the cabin features 2 light-up vanity mirrors, SOS button, reading lights and controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.